Today we are going to be reading the book In My Opinion by Deb Bird. Hi, my name is Maddie, and in my opinion, my ideas are always the best. Like the time Mom asked me if I would rather get the green polka dot dress or the pink fluffy one. Of course the pink one. I feel like a princess when I wear it. But my brother Jacob says I look like a giraffe in a tutu. That's just his silly opinion. Or when Dad asked if we should have ice cream or pudding for dessert. Cookie dough ice cream, of course, so chewy and delicious. But Jacob said pudding because it's so smooth. What? That's just his outrageous opinion. And remember when my teacher asked if we would rather color with colored pencils or markers? Oh, I love to color with colored pencils because it's so easy to stay inside the lines. But Brady said markers because they're so bright, and everyone else said, yeah, markers. Well, that was just their crazy opinion. Our teacher wants us to write a story about our favorite season. Well, why didn't she just say write about summer? Because everyone knows summer is the best. Swimming, biking, going to the park. Wait a minute. Alex is writing about winter. What can she possibly say about winter? That's just her personal opinion. At recess, Maggie asked me if I wanted to play jump rope or swing. I said swing, of course. I love to go up high and make believe I'm an astronaut flying through space. But Anna said she wanted to jump rope because she learned a new song that helps her to jump 10 times. Ridiculous. Sing a song when you can be an astronaut. Well, that's just her wacky opinion. I know. Yeah, I got it. I'm so smart. This is something we can all agree on. Yep, I did it. I found something you can't argue about. Wait until you hear it. Are you ready? Hang on to your hat. The Tooth Fairy is the best. Yep, the Tooth Fairy is the best. Or is she?